Namaste and welcome. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of Vastu Shastra, an ancient Indian science of architecture and design. Think of it as a cosmic GPS for your home, guiding you to create a space that vibrates with positive energy. So, whether you're planning to build your dream home or simply want to tweak your existing space, get ready for some enlightening tips. But before we delve into the specifics, let's understand why Vastu matters. Imagine this. Your home is like a giant energy field, constantly interacting with the universe. Every corner, every object has a role to play in this energetic dance. Vastu helps us choreograph this dance gracefully. By following Vastu principles, we can optimize the flow of positive energy, or prana, within our homes. Now, let's open the doors to a more balanced and auspicious life as we uncover the essential Vastu tips for your home, starting with the most crucial aspect, the entrance and your main door. In the world of Vastu, the main entrance is more than just a passageway. It's the Mukhya Dwar, the mouth of your home, where energy flows in and out. A cluttered or dimly lit entrance can obstruct the flow of positive energy, much like a traffic jam at the doorway of your home. But don't fret. Creating an inviting entrance doesn't require a complete architectural overhaul. Simple tweaks and mindful design choices can make all the difference. So, are you ready to roll out the red carpet for positive energy? Let's begin by understanding the importance of direction in Vastu Shastra and how it influences the placement of your main entrance. Now, let's talk directions. In Vastu, each direction is associated with specific energies and deities. For instance, the north direction is governed by Kuber, the god of wealth, while the east is ruled by Indra, the king of gods. Each direction has its own set of guidelines for the main entrance. For example, a north-facing entrance is considered highly auspicious, as it is believed to attract wealth and abundance. On the other hand, a south-facing entrance, though not ideal, can be balanced with certain remedies. It's always best to consult with a Vastu expert to determine the most auspicious direction for your main entrance based on your unique birth chart and the layout of your home. In the next section, we'll delve into the specifics of designing your main door, the color, the material, and the little details that can make a big difference. All right, we've found the perfect direction for your entrance. Now let's talk about the star of the show, the main door. First things first, let's talk size. A grand, imposing entrance is believed to attract more prosperity and good fortune. Think big and beautiful, but make sure it's proportionate to the size of your home. Next up, the material. Vastu recommends using high-quality wood for the main door, as it symbolizes strength and prosperity. Solid wood doors like teak or rosewood not only exude elegance but also create a sense of security and grounding. Now let's add a splash of color. Vastu prescribes specific colors that attract positive vibrations. For instance, warm and earthy tones like brown, beige, or yellow are considered auspicious for main doors. But hold on, there's more to your doorway than meets the eye. Stay tuned as we unravel more Vastu tips on the placement of nameplates, the direction of door swings, and other design elements that can enhance the positive energy flow in your home. Now that we've rolled out the red carpet for positive energy with a well-placed and well-designed entrance, let's step inside and explore the art of room placement. Each room you see has its own unique energy signature, so buckle up as we take a room-by-room tour, uncovering the ideal placements for your kitchen, bedroom, living room, and more, all according to the principles of Vastu Shastra. Let's start with the heart of the Indian home, the kitchen. It's where culinary magic unfolds, where aromas dance, and where families gather to share stories and laughter. In Vastu, the kitchen is considered a sacred space, a symbol of nourishment and abundance. The ideal location for the kitchen, according to Vastu, is the southeast direction, governed by Agni, the fire deity. This placement is believed to enhance digestion, promote health, and attract prosperity. Avoid placing your kitchen in the northeast direction as it can lead to financial instability and health issues. The stove, the star of your culinary show, should ideally be placed in the southeast corner of the kitchen. This ensures that the cook faces east while cooking, which is considered auspicious. Remember, a cluttered and disorganized kitchen can hinder the flow of positive energy. A well-maintained kitchen not only pleases the palate but also invites prosperity and good health into your home. Bedroom bliss, designing your sanctuary of rest and rejuvenation. After a long day of conquering the world, or at least attempting to, we all crave a peaceful haven to unwind and recharge. That's where the bedroom comes in, your sanctuary of rest and rejuvenation. The southwest direction, ruled by Prithvi, the earth element, is considered the most auspicious for the bedroom. This grounding energy promotes stability, security, and restful sleep. Avoid placing your bedroom in the southeast direction, as the fire element can disrupt sleep and lead to restlessness. Vastu recommends positioning the bed with the head facing south or east. This alignment is believed to align your body with the Earth's magnetic field, promoting deep sleep and overall well-being. Keep your bedroom clutter-free, airy, and well-lit. So design it with intention, following Vastu principles, and watch as your sleep quality improves and your energy levels soar. Living large and auspicious, the heart of your home. Now, let's step into the heart of your home, the living room. This is where you entertain guests, bond with family, and create lasting memories. The ideal location for the living room is the northeast direction, governed by Ishanya, representing spirituality and positive energy. This placement is believed to attract wealth, enhance relationships, and create a harmonious atmosphere. When it comes to furniture placement, Vastu recommends arranging the seating in a way that promotes conversation and a sense of openness. Keep the center of the room open and clutter-free, allowing for easy movement and a sense of spaciousness. Opt for bright and cheerful colors for your living room, such as yellows, oranges, or light greens. These colors are believed to uplift the mood, enhance communication, and attract positive energy. So, design it with intention, following Vastu principles, and watch as your home transforms into a hub of joy, laughter, and positive vibrations. Furniture, arranging your space for positive vibes. First and foremost, avoid clutter like it's the plague. Clutter is the arch-enemy of positive energy flow, creating stagnation and a sense of chaos. Keep your spaces airy and open, allowing for easy movement and a sense of spaciousness. Vastu favors furniture with rounded edges over sharp, pointed corners. Avoid placing heavy furniture pieces like large cupboards or bookcases in the north or east directions, as these directions are associated with the flow of positive energy. Instead, opt for lighter furniture pieces in these areas to maintain a sense of openness. Let's add a splash of color to this Vastu journey. Just as certain foods nourish our bodies, colors have the power to nourish our minds and souls. Warm and earthy tones like yellow, ochre, and brown are believed to promote stability, grounding, and a sense of security. These colors are ideal for common areas like the living room or dining room, where you gather with loved ones to create lasting memories. Cool and calming hues like blue, green, and lavender evoke a sense of tranquility, peace, and serenity. These colors are perfect for bedrooms and meditation rooms, creating a soothing sanctuary for rest and rejuvenation. Vibrant and energetic shades like orange, red, and pink are associated with passion, creativity, and vitality. Remember, balance is key. Avoid using too many colors in one space, as it can create a sense of visual chaos. Mirrors, those magical surfaces that reflect our image, also hold a special place in Vastu Shastra. They are not just decorative elements, but powerful tools that can be strategically placed to enhance the flow of positive energy and create a sense of spaciousness. Vastu recommends placing mirrors on the north or east walls of your home, as these directions are associated with wealth, prosperity, and growth. Mirrors placed in these directions are believed to double the positive energy entering your home, much like a cosmic multiplier. Avoid placing mirrors opposite the main entrance, as they can reflect the incoming energy back out, hindering the flow of abundance. In the dining room, a mirror placed strategically to reflect the dining table is believed to symbolize abundance and prosperity. Remember, mirrors should always reflect something beautiful and positive. Sacred spaces. Designing your prayer room for spiritual connection. In the tapestry of an Indian home, the prayer room or puja room holds a special significance. It's a sanctuary dedicated to spiritual practices, a sacred space where we connect with the divine and seek solace, guidance, and blessings. Vastu Shastra offers valuable insights into designing a prayer room that resonates with positive energy and enhances our spiritual connection. The northeast direction, ruled by Ishanya, representing spirituality and enlightenment, is considered the most auspicious location for a prayer room. This placement is believed to enhance the flow of positive vibrations, creating an ideal atmosphere for meditation and prayer. The altar, the heart of your prayer room, should be placed facing east or north, allowing you to face these auspicious directions during your spiritual practices. Keep the altar clean, clutter-free, and adorned with fresh flowers, incense, and a lit oil lamp to invoke a sense of reverence and peace. Opt for light and calming colors like white, cream, or pale yellow for the walls of your prayer room. These colors promote a sense of purity, serenity, and spiritual elevation. Avoid using bright or distracting colors, as they can hinder concentration and disrupt the meditative ambience. Remember, your prayer room is a sacred sanctuary, a space where you connect with your inner self and seek solace. So, design it with intention, following Vastu principles, and watch as your spiritual practices become more fulfilling and your connection with the divine deepens. Bathroom basics. Maintaining harmony in utilitarian spaces. While often overlooked in the grand scheme of interior design, bathrooms hold a significant place in Vastu Shastra. These utilitarian spaces, essential for hygiene and sanitation, can impact the overall energy flow of your home. Vastu offers practical tips to design bathrooms that minimize any negative energy and maintain a harmonious balance within your living space. The northwest direction, governed by Vayu, the wind deity, is considered the most suitable location for bathrooms. This placement is believed to facilitate the natural flow of air and minimize any negative energy associated with these spaces. When it comes to bathroom fixtures, Vastu recommends placing the toilet in the west or northwest corner, keeping it separate from the bathing area. The shower or bathtub should ideally be placed in the east or northeast corner. Opt for light and airy colors like white, cream, or pastels for the bathroom walls and tiles. These colors promote a sense of cleanliness, purity, and positive energy flow. Avoid using dark or dull colors, as they can create a sense of heaviness and negativity. Proper ventilation is crucial in bathrooms to prevent the buildup of moisture and negative energy. Ensure your bathroom has adequate windows for natural light and ventilation, or install an exhaust fan to maintain a fresh and airy atmosphere. Vastu, your blueprint for a happy home. So there you have it, a whirlwind tour of Vastu tips for your Indian home. We've journeyed from the grand entrance to the tranquil prayer room, uncovering the secrets of harmonious living along the way. Remember, Vastu isn't about rigid rules or superstitious rituals. It's about understanding the language of energy and designing spaces that resonate with positivity. Think of Vastu as a gentle nudge in the right direction, a way to align your living space with the natural rhythms of the universe. It's about creating a home that nourishes your soul, energizes your spirit, and brings out the best in you and your loved ones. And the best part? Implementing Vastu principles doesn't require a complete home makeover or breaking the bank. Even small, mindful changes, like decluttering your space, rearranging furniture, or adding a splash of auspicious color, can make a world of difference. From house to home, the Vastu touch. Remember that beautiful traditional Indian home we talked about at the beginning? The one with the courtyard and the swing? Vastu helps us create that. Not just the aesthetics, but the feeling of warmth, harmony, and belonging. It's about transforming a house into a home, a space that embraces you with open arms and whispers, "Welcome, you're finally here." And who knows, With a little Vastu magic, you might even find yourself attracting more than just positive energy. Perhaps a promotion, a soulmate, or even that elusive winning lottery ticket. Just kidding. Or am I? The real treasure, of course, lies in creating a space where you feel truly at peace, where laughter echoes through the halls, and where love resides in every nook and cranny. That, my friends, is the true magic of Vastu. Now go forth and create your own haven of harmony. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips like this. Happy decorating!